Want your app to make a great first impression? Create a great icon. Hey, I'm Raphael from AppsFlyer and I'm here to tell you how to create an amazing icon that will bring the app downloads. Here we go. An app icon is the face of your app. Sounds like a logo? Well, your icon may include your logo, but they aren't the same. App icons are usually the first thing a user sees in the App Store. A great icon helps you make a good first impression and helps users understand what your app does in a nutshell. Let's dive into how to create your own icon. If you want to do it yourself, you can use design tools like Canva to get your creative juices flowing. You can also get some AI assistance. Promise we won't tell anyone. If you're looking for a more pre-built experience, you can always check out online icon generators or libraries. Just remember, there are rules when it comes to submitting icons to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure to stay compliant for success. First, try to stand out from your competitors who may have similar icons, but don't go overboard. Simple, clean designs help key elements pop out. It's all about balance. Second, your icon should represent what your app does, but also bring your brand to life. If you have multiple apps, consider having a similar vibe and design for all app icons. Third, original designs are cool, but make sure your users know what they're looking at. Keep it recognizable and easy on the eyes. Fourth, each operating system has its own design principles, so as you're creating, make sure your icon meets requirements so it looks great in every store. And speaking of looking great, number 5, be sure to test and preview your icon in every required size before pressing submit. Testing the design against different wallpapers is also a good idea. Next up, get feedback early and often from internal and external stakeholders and ensure your icon aligns with everything else I've said so far. I know, there's a lot to think about. That's why I recommend A/B testing with different versions to help you choose the best option. Analyze which icon delivers the highest conversion rates and don't be afraid to keep innovating. You never know what could work until you try it. And finally, there is no final. Stay on top of your competition as well as design and consumer trends. Show your customers that you're paying attention with seasonal looks. And that's a wrap on App Icon Best Practices. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Your app icon is an important first impression in the App Store and on devices. 2. Your app icon must meet design guidelines for each platform. And 3. Make sure your app icon is simple, unique, and recognizable to encourage users to hit install. You'll find some useful links in the description below, and as always, drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this to help you up your marketing game. Thanks for watching and see you next time.